In this video, I will show how to add iTunes in your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So, firstly, open Microsoft Store. Now here search iTunes. Select this iTunes application. Now here click on Get and wait for a few minutes till this downloading and installing process will complete. And after that, search iTunes and open it. So this way guys, you can download and install iTunes in your Windows 11. Complete this process, click on agree and sign in with your account. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.